Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find templates in VideoLeap. Templates in VideoLeap are the pre-designed video styles that already include effects, transitions, text, animations and music. They're perfect for the beginners because you do not have to edit everything manually. You just replace the clips with your own video or the photos, and here's exactly how to find them. First, unlock your phone and tap on the VideoLeap app. If you do not have a VideoLeap app, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store, and once you open to your VideoLeap app, we can find this interface. Here on the bottom we can find this template. Select to this template, and once you select to this template, in the top right corner we can find this search here. What you can do is you can simply swipe down to find the template, but if you want to search a specific template, in the top right corner select to that search icon bar. Over here you can find this trending templates. You can select to this here, or you can also type down your own template, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to find templates in VideoLeap. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.